Hello and welcome to today's market analysis with Chai. We have a few topics today going on. Hello, everybody. We have a few things today to look at. It's Sunday, and yeah, basically, let's have a look at some shit coins, at some traditional markets, and yeah, let's have a bit of fun today. So we're basically going to start with Bitcoin today. Let's see what do we have here. So Bitcoin pretty much a little bit, well, we cannot say where it goes now, but we have a few ideas here on how we can expect Bitcoin. So first of all, as you can see, we were able to go to this daily fair value gap here and retrace all this move down, as you can see. And now Bitcoin is basically ranging. So what does this mean? I personally wanted to have a move to this daily fair value gap here. So it starts around 18,600 around there, to keep it simple. So basically this is what I'm waiting for here on Bitcoin. Once we get this move up, I'm looking for short positions. At the moment I'm not going to do nothing. My bias here is still, let's say, neutral. So let's basically have a look at another coins. So give me a second. So let me turn down a little bit the music because it seems to be a little bit loud. So I hope this is better now. Let me see if I can. Nope. So I hope the music is a little bit better now. If not, I can put this a little bit more down here. Just let me know, guys. So basically here we had a look at Bitcoin. We know the plan. We have to wait here. So let me go to the shitcoin charts. We have a few things to look at here. So basically on Litecoin, we're going to start. Let's have a look on the monthly chart first, and we're going to go down. So monthly chart on Litecoin, it's a little bit easy to say what the next move is going to be. Mine personally, my scenario is going to be having a move down here. So you saw here, we retraced, we created this monthly fair value gap here, which we already tapped. So basically just waiting here. I want Litecoin to go to $25, a little bit below 25.5. just to get this liquidity out, and from there on basically expecting the, well, bull market to keep it clear. But once, I just want to see some strength on Litecoin. In my opinion, we still have some downside to go. But yeah, anyways, let's go a little bit here on the weekly. Let me show this fair value gap on the weekly as well. So as you can see, we tapped that. We still have one here if we look at the weekly fair value gap. So we have a possibility here to basically say, okay, one move up before we actually head down to fill this weekly fair value gap inside here, that's possible. So we can expect Litecoin something like this. After that, I'm looking for more downside. So basically that's the weekly chart. Not much to look at, still bearish in my opinion. We don't have to go lower. If we want to go lower, we can have a look at here. So if we want to move up a Litecoin, I want to see the price holding around this fair value gap. We as well could go a little bit deeper. Let me check. So that's the daily. So I mean, there's basically really no problem if we just move a little bit more down again. So pretty much we don't need to be scared of if we move towards 55, 54, because we still could have another move up to this weekly fair value gap. So thus, do we need to reach this? I'm not quite sure. We could, but we already had the monthly fair value gap. So if we have short opportunities, I will take them. But for now, I'm just neutral here on daily and 4 hour. We want to see first if we go to this fair value gap or we break some berry structure. But for now, let's keep it like this because the main plan for Litecoin is buying spot around 25. If you have any coins you want me to look at, just put it on the chat as well, so don't worry about that. So let's switch to Matic. Pretty interesting one. It's getting a little bit in the no zone for me, but I want to be a buyer of Matic if we get a good price. Because looking this in terms of just a little bit of Elliott wave, we have two options. We either already created here this a flat correction here already, meaning that all this move up we're going to have in the future is going to be a fifth wave, but meaning that we stopped here. So if we get the Elliott, we get 1, 2, let's say 3, 4, 5, right? But I don't want that. I don't see that in my opinion because it looks a little bit weird. So I have two options on what it could be. So we either count this is a W, X, and Y. Take liquidity here around 30 cents, right? Or if we don't want all this complexity here, we can do this as a count as well. So we have 1, 2, 3 will be here. I'm going to explain this in a moment. And then we're going to have 4 and 5. So why we have a third wave up there? So we basically can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will be somehow a diagonal, so we can expect this as well, meaning that this move here somehow was impulsive. So we had this A, now we're getting a B. We could already had that, but we could as well be on the B wave and still getting a C before getting this higher degree C wave down. So we have a few options, but all the options we look at in the Elliott wave perspective, I want to see price really at 30 cents again. If we don't do that, I will need to have some signs that we are not going this way. But for now, this is what I'm looking at, to be honest. This is what I'm looking at, to be honest. So Matic, let's go to the monthly time frame. What do we see here? So we have a few things. If Matic goes lower, we have an options to fill this gap, meaning we can go to 18 cents real quick, and go up again. Just to get this fair value gap filled or tapped, let's say like this, and then get the opportunity to have a fifth wave up to minimum around $3, but could be expected around 5 or between 5 and 10. But yes, we're not going to look at what it could be. We have to take a perfect entry here to get this move up. But anyway, this is what I'm looking at. If we go down, I want to see the 30 cents got taken, maybe a huge move down wick wise to 18 cents, and then go up. So this will be aligning with Litecoin as well, right? So if we go up here, all this move down, Litecoin going to sell stops is going to be on Matic as well. So let's see how we can expect all those coins. But Matic, Matic and Litecoin, those are basically the two that I'm really interested in if we get those levels. Because I normally don't buy a lot of coins, I'm just a Bitcoin holder, but Litecoin and Matic are really not doing bad. Chart is looking okay as well. So, what else can we take a look at? A lot of people like Dogecoin. Let's see how the future looks for Dogecoin. So, chart is a little bit not my style. Really hard to say what Doge is going to do here. What do we want? Let me see. So first of all, we had this fair value gap here filled. We retraced it. So let's see if we could go deeper. We had this fair value gap on the monthly. Let's take a look at the weekly real quick. So weekly, we have one here. It's basically the same. That's the same fair value gap on the weekly as well for the monthly. Okay. So on the weekly, we filled this gap. Yeah, I mean, I'm looking Dogecoin to go lower. So what the looks of it is, if we go inside of the perspective here, maybe we could get something like this. So this move down filled the gap, will be wave 4. Now getting a 5th move down, right? This could be possible. But we want to fill this fair value gap. So if we fill this gap with a 5-wave sequence, we maybe go up and down again to fill more of the gap, right? But we not necessarily need to go with the 5th wave around this fair value gap. It just could be a little bit above it, but at the end of it, I want to see a corrective move down here on Dogecoin, because if this is a 5-wave structure, we need to get a corrective move up and another 5 structure wave down to fill this Dogecoin gap here, and as well go to premium, because I'm not a buyer here. So basically that's, Dogecoin basically is not that hard to take a look at, but it's a little bit difficult, the price action nowadays, because Dogecoin has been moved by a lot of people, right? So it's not the best coin I like. I'm not going to invest personally in it, but yeah. Let's see a few other coins. Just give me a second, be right back in 1 minute.
Just feels tight.
So guys, I'm back, so let's keep going, taking a look here. So Dogecoin was clear, we are waiting here. I don't know which more altcoins are pretty much interesting. I'm not much into altcoins. We can have a look at Ripple maybe. We need a better chart on Ripple. Let me check if I can organize that. Coin. So let's have a look. Ripple at this side here. XRP, coin market cap. Let's go to the monthly chart. Oh, so Ripple. Jesus, so what do we have on Ripple? So I had this fear value gap here. I still expected it to fill this and go down, at least to this level here. So this is around 17 cents. 17 cents, yes. Could be a good opportunity for Ripple. I'm not a fan at all of Ripple, but if the charts give me an opportunity, I will take this. But I'm not too focused on this. Yeah, you know the reason maybe. You know, Ripple is not decentralized. It's working together with banks. So I'm not a huge fan of this. It's going with a traditional system, and as you know me, I'm against that. So yeah, as you can see here, Ripple, let me remove this and do some drawings. So we had this fear value gap. At least we want to see Ripple down here. What I want to see clear is this. If we get this opportunity as well, it will fit with Elliott wave. So this will be this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, breaking this sell side liquidity, right? Go up, do a corrective move up, then go down to this relative equal lows here, and this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and this in between here will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Do we have an overlap here? Let me check. No, this is accepted. So we can expect the 5-wave structure move down here. Let me change the colors, get a little bit smaller. So this is my plan on Ripple. Let's keep it simple, guys. So 5th wave to the sell side liquidity, move up to make a wave 4, and the last 5th wave to take out those sell side liquidity here. And maybe we have some fear value gaps on the yearly time frame, but I'm not available to look at this here. But yeah, pretty much, how you say this? Pretty much clear in my opinion, now that we count this like this. But as you see, we need to have somehow a W. So we need to check if this is even impulsive. So if this is impulsive, this looks shitty. But I will need to have a check on that, because if this is impulsive, we cannot have this impulse here, meaning that this is another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will be an A, B, and a C going down to those sell side liquidity. But yeah, this doesn't look impulsive. So I would say this is a W, and an X, and a Y. Oops, that's a little bit too big, okay? Yeah, same shit. But anyways, this is somehow what I'm looking here on Ripple. As I said earlier, not a big, huge fan of this. But if we get this opportunity around down here, why not take it? So, what do people as well like? So a lot of people are afraid of Solana. So yeah, it looks really shitty. We need to be true to ourselves as well. So I want to at least see a move down here to tap this monthly fear value gap. Let me go to the weekly real quick. Weekly, we don't have nothing. anything? Nope. So monthly fair value gap here, we're going to tap that, and I will say we aren't ready to take some long position on the lower time frame. But we really don't know how this is going to be evolving, in my opinion, because if this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we need to have a corrective move up and then another move down. So this is pretty clear. If we don't want that, and this is going to be the bottom in Solana, we have to count this somehow like a W, X, and a Y, which I'm not a huge fan of at the moment. It could be a possibility here, but we need to wait here. It's neutral. I mean, it's bias is bearish until we go to this fair value gap here, so that's for sure. So if you want to take some short positions while you're scalping, you have the opportunity to short it down here. But anyways, I want to wait on Solana. A few months ago, I wanted to invest in it, you know, once the time comes. But now that the time is here and we got this heavy news on FTX, I'm not quite sure what's going to happen to Solana. So yeah, pretty much waiting on it. So we have to wait for the chart, the price action, before we take anything here as an investment. What else do we have here? So much shit coins, really. I don't know what people look at, to be honest. Was VR, wasn't that a thing here? Let me remove all this. Or do we have a... let me check it on this chart. Veracity, I don't know how you call this. Jesus Christ. So let me remove everything here as well. So yeah, this is not looking too tasty, guys. I think we can use this chart. It's pretty much the same. Yeah, it's not looking that tasty. We have a fair value gap here, which we're most likely going to tap. What the fuck is the structure going to be? Well, we don't know. If this wants to be bullish, we can count this as a W, as an A, B, and a C. So this will mean an expanded flag correction around to this fair value gap, which looks really possible. But I'm not sure what's going to happen after that. So, well, I'm not even sure what the use case is. So let's start with this. I don't know what this brings, what use case it has, but I can tell you we're most likely going to see this fair value gap, and pretty much we have to wait on this as well before buying. It looks pretty bad. So I'm not sure if this is going to be counted as a 1, 2, right? Because damn, this looks ugly as fuck. I'm not going to touch this unless we have some clear confirmation, some bullish market structure here on the daily time frame, or even weekly, to confirm that this coin is even useful, let's say like this. People like PYR, I think. Let me check this one. So let's hold to the weekly time frame here. Yeah, pretty much same thoughts. We still on the way. As you can see, I'm expecting this to be a WXYXZ or a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If this is going to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, guys, then I don't want to be a part of it. Assuming we don't see any bullish structure break. So we have to be really careful in this. So we have on the weekly, we had this fair value gap, which I'm still waiting on. So I expect this to go down here, and I want to see a bullish reaction breaking really some structures on the daily time frame. Let me move down here. So this will mean, is this a 1? This is higher. So yeah, we need to wait, guys. I want to see some bullish structure breaks before taking any position on PYR, but even if we get some bullish structure breaks, if we go to the weekly again, it could just be this, right? So we break structure, go in somewhere here, and then we just get a B wave up retrace, a C wave up retrace, sorry. And then we can really anticipate here another move down, which really will not be tasty at all. But we need to wait because we really don't know what this coin is. I think it's a game, if I'm not wrong. That's the fundamentals behind it. I'm not sure if it's a good game. I don't play games, so I don't know how to talk about this. So if people like it, may be a good thing. But overall, I'm just looking at the chart here. So we really need to see a 5-wave move down or WXYZ. So yeah, pretty much bias neutral here on PYR unless we get some structures break. What else do people like here? We have damn, so much coins. Are they even worth something? Because really, so let me take a look at Tron. I think Tron is something. Jesus Christ. Do we have a better chart for Tron USD? Okay, we have more price action here. So let me remove all this. Oh man, this looks so bad. Oh my gosh. Just ranging, man. So let me go to the monthly, get some ideas. So yeah, I mean, I'm not a huge fan of this, so damn, what do we have? So we have an ABC up there, so it doesn't make sense. So what I can tell so far is we're still bearish, so that's for sure. Let me remove that real quick again, because we have here, we already hit the sell side liquidity as we can see here, and we could have now a bit of a move up, right? So this is really possible. So we can give it a move up. I mean, not this is the monthly time frame, but if we go to the weekly, we can look at this better. So basically, this here got to move up, could be the next 3 candles, and then still going deeper, in my opinion, because no, this is not looking that good. This chart is not something I will trade personally, because damn, no. So we had this little fair value gap here. So this was a good one. We broke structure here. So yeah, the whole game is pretty much over here. Let me go to the weekly again. Let me check the daily. So yeah, as you can see, we had a bearish entry here. We broke structure, bam, went to the sphere value gap. Nice position would it have been to take the short, but yeah, I'm still waiting. It's really unclear. I'm really neutral, but I'm expecting it to go lower. We could have a pump for the next few days or for the next 1 to 3 weeks. But we're still going lower here on Trump. What else do we look at here? Is XLM still a thing? It's XLML still a thing. Is that the full chart? Let me check this here. XLM. Monthly chart. Yeah, we have a lot more here. As you can see, I'm still bearish. Not changing my bias here. Let me see, that's the monthly. Let me go to the weekly. Do we have something interesting? We have this few value gap here. So we have a few opportunities here, in my opinion. So looking at it, so first of all, I want to see this going at least, I mean, it could be finished here, but I want, no, this is going to be something like this. So we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can now maybe expect the corrective move up and another move down here really quick to take the sell side liquidity around, well, 3 cents, almost 3 cents. So yeah, this is what I'm expecting here on Stella. Damn. Yeah, I'm still bearish on this, to be honest. We could have a relief pump here, but we want to see this going lower anyways again. But looking at the chart, it maybe has a future, but again, this is an altcoin basically, so it's still around 215 or 214 November, as you can see here. I mean, at the looks of it, it looks powerful. Chart has a lot of strength. We had this huge move up here. If we can get this in percentage, this was, Jesus Christ, 73,000% to the upside. So we can expect this to be a healthy pullback. Yeah, it's 79%. If we look at this, it's not healthy, but if we look at this in terms of the move up we had, we're still in a good price range here. I just want to see another move down here. If it happens, it's going to be quick anyways. But yeah, that's it on Stella. Bearish, but looking good for the future. Having this on my list as well. What else? Monero. It's Monero. XMR. Let me check this one. I never analyzed this. Oh yes, I did analysis, but that was a while ago. But let me see. So Monero. I'm still bearish. It looks really strong. We don't need to go to this low here anymore, which is at 28. What could this be? Let me check. So yeah, I'm still having the same opinions here. So we had this as an A, it's corrective. Then we have this is a B, having this expanded flag correction here, going almost to this high. Let me see. Well, it got this high. That's beautiful. So we tapped this, took liquidity, went down. Let me go to the weekly and see if we have any levels to go down. Not interested in this time frame. Let's go back to the monthly. So we don't have anything special here to look at it as a target, but I'm pretty sure if we go down maximum, it's going to be at $28. Looks a little bit hard, but I mean, it's a flag correction. C doesn't need to go necessarily here. We just can range to do somehow of a triangle to call this instead of WXY flat, WXY correction, sorry. So basically, we need to wait. Monero, I think it's an interesting coin in terms of privacy. And I think it's top 1 if we talk about privacy. I'm not really sure because, yes, I'm not sure if that's the top 1, but I can tell you this was around when I started with crypto around 2016. So this already is started around 2014. So it's an altcoin. It's an altcoin. We had a huge pump here as well. If you want to know how much it was, this was 230,000%. Jesus Christ. Yes, it had a tasty move here. Yup, we need to wait for this, but I'm pretty interested in this one for the future. Want to see how the move down develops, and maybe we can do some investment on Monero as well. I like privacy, so maybe this is a good one. There are so much shitcoins. What's actually happened with IOTA? IOTA. That's still a thing. Oh my gosh, the chart looks horrible. Chart looks horrible, guys. Oh my gosh, we had equal highs. It's just going back up. I can't tell you this, but yeah, this is a chart I'm definitely not going to. I thought this had more price action. I think they changed something. This coin is a lot older, not IOTA. Maybe Coin Paprika. Nope. But here liquidity was taken. So yeah, I'm pretty neutral on IOTA, to be honest. If you guys looking at this coin, we need to wait. I don't see this near interesting for my analysis, or should take an investment on this, to be honest. Cake. Who likes cake? Cake. Oh, this is Coin Paprika. Cake. Coin Market Cap. Oh, it was clear on Coin Paprika. What is it? February year 21. So this is older, so February 21, this is, okay. So this is the full price history here. Damn, what a candle. Was this really the ICO price? This will be really hard, damn. How much is this? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is 20 million%. Holy shit. That's it. Holy shit. I mean, this is just incredible. Sorry, I was just away 1 minute, but this is crazy. Damn, 20 million%. I need to check that again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I mean, almost 19 million%. So this is crazy. Even if we got like in here, this is going to be like 20k%. I mean, this is crazy. I'm not sure if this really was the ICO price. This will be, damn. Not sure if that's the thing here. But yeah, let's look at the chart. Let's go to the monthly. Ooh, that doesn't look that tasty. I'm sorry. Ooh. Oh my gosh. So to be bullish, we need this as an A, B, and a C. And this here needs to be an expanding diagonal with an extended first going down here. Oh my gosh. So yeah, pancake swap is something I will wait on. I want to see. If it goes down, we need to see at least $2.50. but we can have a chance to go $1.9 as well possible. I mean, what's PancakeSwap? I think that's just an how you say this, a swap exchange. I don't think that has any other use case. But yeah, we'll keep this on the list. If we go down there, maybe we have some possibilities. Oh my gosh, Shiba. Why Shiba? Shiba Inu, Shiba Inu. That's unlocked. Crazy. I don't even want to talk about this coin, to be honest. Damn. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. This is crazy. Whoever bought this above here, I'm sorry, but I don't even. So it's 92% from the top. That's not tasty at all. If this is going up again, this coin needs Jesus, because I don't see that. Maybe we can see here a move down to sell side liquidity. So this will be, oh, this has so much zeros. I don't even want to mention that, but yeah, we're gonna see the sell side here. No, this is not something for me, to be honest. I think it's an exchange as well, if I'm not wrong, or is it just a coin? I really don't know about this, but the chart tells me that this doesn't need to go to my portfolio, to be honest. So yep, let's keep this one away. Oh my gosh, so much coins. What do people look at? Cardano. So this is ADA. Do we have more price action here? Yes, we have. Oh my gosh. So let me remove all this. I mean, this looks like an A, B, C. I'm not sure if we're going to stay here in this Fear Valley gap, right? Ranging in this Fear Valley gap in a way. Having the C wave. No, there's nothing interesting down here. We could have something down here. Let me just check something with the FIPS. So yes, minimum we have to see a move down to 25 cents at least. It could be possible we just range all those month maybe just in here, while other coins go a little bit deeper, like Matic, Litecoin, Bitcoin and stuff. But if this wants to go deeper, then we might, oh my gosh, we might, I don't want to call golden pocket, but we might see a move down here to this bullish order block. And yes, we can expect this. Let me draw this. So if that's not the level, we're just going to this bullish order block, range a little bit around and get ready for the next move up. But yes, this pretty much, we have Cardano here on the monthly time frame. I like the look of it because a lot of people were scared because On charting, on trading view, you don't have this price action here. So this tells me that this was the impulsive move up. So we have this, and all this here is the correction. Is this possible? I'm not sure. But anyways, we don't need to take a look at this. We have those levels. We have this fair value gap here. We could just tap this in range here, or we go to this bullish order block here and go up from there. But anyways, Cardano is a waiting game. I'm neutral. So if you want to take any positions, it will be on day trading, taking short positions, because as you can see, Cardano is still needs a little bit more downside here. Let me take 1-2 more. What is AXS? AXS. So AXS, that's a game as well, right? So that's the most popular, if I'm not wrong. I'm not sure. Let's see. I think you have more price action here. Let's go to the weekly. So Axie Infinity, this is not looking good, if I can be honest with you. Because if this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, Jesus Christ, 5, then this is not going to be good at all, because we're going to have a most likely corrective pump to the upside, then having another move down to around this fair value gap here. But I'm not quite sure if this should be bullish. How do we count that? So then this somehow needs to be a W, X and Y maybe, you know, just really ugly, to be honest, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then a corrective move up, and then another move down here. Could be possible, but yeah, this is not something for me to trade. So basically I'm waiting on this one here. Oh, Axie Infinity. I think a lot of people still play that. I never took a look at it. So let's take a look at the last one. What else do people like? FTM. Phantom. Okay, FTM. Let's take a look here. FTM. Yeah, FTM, I'm expecting it to go lower. So let's switch the chart over here. We at least have to go here to the sell side liquidity. This is going to be around 15 cents. We currently are ranging around 17.8, 18 cents. What do we see here for the future? Let me go on the monthly time frame. I just don't like this move down because it looks impulsive, guys. Meaning if this is an A, we're going to have a B and a C, and fill this bad boy here, or tap it at least. But yeah, I mean, FTM chart is, I mean, we don't have a lot of information, right? So we need to be extra careful with this one. We could have some good long positions incoming, right? Once we took this sell side liquidity here, we maybe have a few options to look for long position to maybe around well, minimum 30, 40, and 50 cent before going lower. But we have to take a look at that because it could be something else as well. I mean, I don't like the fact that we call this maybe a B, C. Could be possible, but I will need to double check that if that's an option, even an option, because according how we started here, I want to see this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and yeah, start the correction from here. But we have to take a look. We still not quite sure on this one. I think that's the last one, guys. If you have any more requests, just let me know on the Discord, and I will be happy to send this over to you. But as you can see, we had a look at a few coins today, basically just ranging, and we have a neutral bias on the most. I mean, we can expect some pumps maybe if Bitcoin is ready for it, you know, across the whole market. But don't get too excited because we are going down, guys. We are still going down because it does look like bottom. Do your own analysis, do your own calculations, and let's see what you came up with. But in my opinion, we're still in a bear market. We have to wait. Don't jump into early on buying. You can buy a little bit, but really be careful which coins you really buy, because it's no wonder that a few other coins going still like 50% more down, or that they even not going to exist. So take really care on the coins you're buying, and take care on everything you're buying, because the markets are really difficult to understand. And even with all those shit coins in the markets, this is where you need to be extra careful, because it can end at any time. It doesn't matter how good or what use case it has. So you really have to be informed on what's happening fundamentally as well if you invest in something. This is why I only trust on Bitcoin. My only investment are always Bitcoin, but I'm looking to buy a few other coins as well for the next few years, which maybe can do some life-changing money as well. But yeah, guys, anyways, I hope you liked the video today. It was like a 1 hour stream almost. We had a look at a few coins. If you liked it, leave a like below. If you want anything to know, just leave a comment in the comment section. Make sure you read through our description so you can have a look at everything. Please join our Discord. Follow us on Twitter as well. And yeah, guys, thanks a lot for joining. I really appreciate it. See you next time.